Hey, guys! Welcome back to another Windows 10 tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to check how many cores your CPU has on your Windows 10 computer. This is essential for checking your computer's specs and ensuring compatibility with different hardware and software. So, let's dive right in. To get started, we'll use the Task Manager. Simply go down to the Windows Start button in the bottom left, right-click it, and then select Task Manager from the menu. Once Task Manager opens, if it's in a compact view, click the arrow for more details at the bottom. Now, navigate to the Performance tab. Once Task Manager is larger, go to the top menu and select Performance. On the left sidebar, you'll see various items listed. Look for CPU, click on it, and on the right, you'll find information about your CPU, including the number of cores. For my computer, it's 2 cores. Another method to check the number of cores is by going back to the Start button, typing System Info, and selecting System Information when it appears. In the right panel under Processor, you'll see the number of cores your CPU has. In my case, it's also 2 cores. And there you have it. 2 easy methods to check the number of cores your CPU has on your Windows 10 computer. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. For more Windows 10 tutorial videos, check out the links in the description. If you enjoy tech tutorials, consider subscribing. Thanks so much for watching.